Meta Quest is for ages 13 plus. Certain apps, games and experiences may be suitable for a more mature audience. Keep your experience smooth and seamless, even as high-speed action unfolds around you with a super-fast processor and high-resolution display. Packaging may vary. Meta Quest packaging will continue to carry the Oculus name and logo during the transition to our new branding. Experience total immersion with 3D positional audio, hand tracking and haptic feedback, working together to make virtual worlds feel real. Explore an expanding universe of over 250 titles across gaming, fitness, social, multiplayer and entertainment, including exclusive blockbuster releases and totally unique VR experiences. Travel universes in blockbuster fantasies, scare yourself witless in horror adventures or collaborate with colleagues in innovative workspaces. Come together in incredible social spaces and multiplayer arenas as you take in live events with friends and family, find your new workout crew or join quests with fellow adventurers. Be truly free to roam in VR with a wireless headset, intuitive controls, a built-in battery, easy setup and no PC or console needed. You can buy using the Amazon link in the description under the video.